What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Crybaby by Lil Peep. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, once you get done with the video, make sure you check the description below. I've left a free ebook there for you guys called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's just a little gift that I like to give to you guys for coming to the channel. It's great for all skill levels, so once you're done with the video, go get your free ebook, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright, you guys, this song isn't terribly too difficult, but there is a lot of picking in it, so for you beginners it may be frustrating at first. Keep watching the video, keep practicing, you will get it down. It's very fun to play once you do. I will go ahead and say that the way that I'm playing it right now is in standard tuning with the capo on the 3rd fret. I actually don't believe this is the way that this song is originally played. It's a sample from the No Seatbelt song by Brand New. I think their original version is actually played half a step down. Like I said, I'm in standard with a capo on the 3rd fret. I think their version is half a step down, and I actually did make a tab for what their version might be. I feel that this version sounds almost identical and it's easier, so that's why I'm going to show you guys this version. I'll have the tabs for this version and for what I think the actual version is in the link in the description below. So check both of those out. You can play it both ways. They both sound almost identical. I just feel like this one's easier. Alright, so you're starting with your middle finger on your 3rd fret on your D string and your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your G string. You're going to pick your A string, D string, B string, and then add your pinky on your B string on your 3rd fret. Then pick your G string, take that pinky off, pick your B string open, take your ring finger off, pick your G string open. Slowly that looks like this. One more time. From here, you're going to a C chord. Keep your middle finger right where it is. Throw your ring finger on the 3rd fret on your A string. Pick that string, your D string, your B string open, and then add your index finger on the B string on the 1st fret. Then take that back off and pick that string again. D string again, A string again. So that looks like. From the top, it looks like this. Then you're just going to repeat the same thing that you played first. And then when you get to here the second time, that's where it changes a little bit. I believe in the Lil Peep song, they just duplicated the first 2 patterns. So in the Lil Peep song, I believe it's the same as the first time. You just. But in the No Seatbelt song, when you get to that point, the second time, you do that same little thing that you do in the first chord. Put your ring finger on the 2nd fret on your G string, pluck that string, and then your open B, and then take that ring finger off, open G. So it looks like this from the top. Then from there, put your ring finger on your 3rd fret on your low E string. You're going to pick that string, open G, open B, throw the index finger on the 1st fret on B and pick it, and then take it off and pick it again. Pick your open G string again, And then pick your E string again, still with your ring finger on the 3rd fret. That looks like this. Then throw your index finger on your 1st fret on your low E string, pick that string, open G again, open B again, then add your middle finger on the 1st fret on the B string. You just let that ring. So those together look like. Then you're doing the same thing with your ring finger on your 3rd fret. But then after this, after you pluck your E string that last time, put your index finger back on the 1st fret and then put your pinky finger on your 3rd fret on your B string and just strum that. And you're kind of muting the A string with your index finger. You're not really playing your bottom E string either. Just your low E string, D string, G string, B string. So all together slowly, this is what the picking looks like. Again, watch this video over and over again as much as you need to really figure out which notes you're picking and how you're picking them. Might be frustrating at first, but just keep practicing. You will get it soon. It's super fun to play, so keep practicing and you'll have it down in no time. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Don't forget to grab your free ebook in the description below and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If there's any comments or questions or concerns or any songs that you guys want me to teach you, leave that in the comment section below and we'll see you guys in the next video.